This video is going to be really, really short. This video is all about how I grew my hair back, okay? And I am going to attest to this product because not only has it grown my hair back, it made my hair nice and thick. And I don't know if it has some gray hair blockers too for us ladies that are approaching a certain age and gray hair is imminent in the future. Yeah, so this right here. This is my hair oil, okay? This is my Herbal Infused Rose Hair Oil, all right? This hair oil right here, shake it up. You got all the herbs. It has all the rose petals. I mean, this thing is amazing, 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 okay? It has about like 7 or 8 herbs. The base is almond oil, which is not greasy at all, and it absorbs in the hair extremely fast. So that's really, really good. And it's pretty much, I use it about like 2 to 3 times a week, especially under my wig. So this is the really reason of this video, is because of how to take care of your hair under your wigs. You need to add moisturizer or moisture to your hair under your wigs. You just have to. That's why I like glueless wigs, because I can always take care of my hair under my wigs. You know, I don't always have to stay with the wig and then wait a whole 3 weeks to moisturize my hair. No, I can constantly put all of the oil in between my parts. And I love the nozzle. Like I love this nozzle, okay? I'm telling you, this is like a this is amazing, okay? This is truly, truly an amazing product, all right? And I just want everybody to have it. I want everybody to enjoy it. I want you to go to mercycouturewigs.com. That's mercycouturewigs.com and order yourself one today, okay? We have 2 different kinds. We have the Herbal Infused Rose Hair Oil with rose petals in it, and we have the Herbal Oil Hair Oil, okay? Now, they have beautiful, beautiful products in it. I'm telling you, it is amazing. All of the ingredients are on the bottle, everything, how to use and everything. I'm just so excited about this baby. Well, actually, we actually have the one product launching. Okay, the one product launching, and then we're going to come out with my Herbal Infused Hair Rose Oil. Okay, I know I'm not saying it right, but it's my bad. I'm just so excited. Alright, anyway, it really made my hair grow. As you can see in these pictures of how my hair was before when it broke off, and then how it is now, it's like amazing, amazing, amazing. And it helps with the split ends. Like, I don't really have a lot of split ends. 1, I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. 2, I always wear it braided or in a protective style. But regardless, if that's what you want to do, and if that's what you do, yes, this hair oil is for you. Alright? So check it out, mercycouturewigs.com. I'm so excited for my launch. Alright, and I hope you're excited too, okay? Later.